I've been working at the LCBO for 26 years. But as we have told our members, and will tell you today, this round of collective bargaining is like no other. Doug Ford is wasting upwards of $1 billion of our money in a backroom deal to fast-track his alcohol everywhere plan. No matter how you look at it, it's a bad deal for Ontarians. In the span of a few years, we've gone from $1 a beer to $1 billion a beer. Worse, this will threaten hundreds of millions of dollars in public revenues that fund public services like healthcare and education. In case you didn't know, the LCBO invests around $2.5 billion each year into those services that we all hold near and dear. LCBO workers are fighting for a brighter future for the LCBO and Ontarians. We believe that Ontarians deserve convenience and quality customer service, and that the LCBO is best positioned to deliver that. We believe the LCBO and its workers should be at the heart of the expanded marketplace. Like I said, Premier Ford is trying to sell us a bad deal, one that hands over more of the alcohol market to big grocers and convenience chains like Loblaws and Circle K. What will that deal mean? More expensive booze. Heck, they might even bring in surge pricing. And CEOs like Galen Weston bring in even more profits. We want a deal that sees the LCBO grow with Ontario, one that expands to meet demand and improve convenience. This will mean that the revenues that pay for healthcare and education grow too. We came to the table to bargain such a future. But so far, the LCBO has refused to negotiate with us in any meaningful way. They have not engaged with any of our proposals. It's clear that we're not bargaining with the LCBO and that the people at the table do not call the shots. As you may have heard, we have just held the largest vote in LCBO history. 86% of LCBO workers participated and 97% voted yes to strike action if necessary. We also requested a no board report, which was issued today, which will put us in a legal strike position as of 12:01 on Friday, July 5th. We chose this date because we did not want to impact the first long weekend of the summer. Let's make this clear. LCBO employees, LCBO workers, also do not want a dry Ontario for the summer. We love seeing Ontarians during the busy seasons, and we love being part of your celebrations. But we've been meeting with the LCBO since March, and they're not listening, so something's got to give. Now it's on Premier Ford and the LCBO to make sure public services and good jobs don't get left behind. Premier Ford, you are welcome to join us at the bargaining table. We won't back down in our fight for a strong future for the LCBO and public services funded by LCBO revenues.